In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access OneDrive from PC without syncing. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First things first, you need to navigate your web browser over to Microsoft OneDrive. To do this, simply type in the address for your personal cloud storage, which is available through the Microsoft website. It's essential that you ensure you are accessing the official Microsoft site to keep your information secure and protected from phishing attempts. Once you've arrived at the OneDrive homepage, look around to find the sign in button. It should be prominently displayed, usually toward the top right corner of the page. Click this button to start the process of logging into your account. Now, as you proceed with logging in, it's important to ensure that you are using the correct credentials. This means entering the email associated with your OneDrive account and of course your secure password. If you have any issues recalling these credentials, don't hesitate to use the account recovery options provided by Microsoft. After successfully signing into your account, you will be directed to the OneDrive homepage. This space is essentially your online home for storing files securely in the cloud. From the homepage, you can manage all your files, folders, and any shared content without needing to sync them locally to your PC. If you need to find specific document folders, you can use the search functionality present in OneDrive's interface, which simplifies navigating through your saved content based on file names or even keywords within documents. It's crucial to remember that accessing your files from the browser without syncing them means you'll need an active internet connection each time you want to view or modify your files. But the upside is you save significant storage space on your physical drives while always maintaining up-to-date file versions as saved online. A handy tip to make the most of your OneDrive experience without the hassle of syncing is to bookmark the OneDrive page in your web browser. This allows you quick and direct access to your files whenever needed without the extra step of navigating through the Microsoft site every time. Another useful practice is to regularly organize your OneDrive files into clearly labeled folders. This not only improves your ability to locate files quickly, but also enhances your overall productivity. And that's how you access OneDrive from your PC without syncing. With these instructions, you should now have a solid understanding of how to effectively manage and access your files in the cloud. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, please feel free to share it with others who might benefit. Enjoy your day and stay productive.